Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Before we get started, if you have any video requests, send me an email to heather@twistmystitch.com. You can also find my social media links in the description below. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. In this tutorial, we're going to be working the crossed double crochet. So the crossed double crochet is essentially 2 double crochets. One is worked first and then the other worked second into a skip stitch, entrapping that first double crochet into the stitch. So let's get started. First, you're going to skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the following stitch. Then you're going to work a double crochet into the skipped stitch and work around that first double crochet that you worked. It's essentially entrapping that first double crochet within the stitch. Let me show that to you again. We're going to skip this stitch, work a double crochet into this stitch, work a double crochet into the skipped stitch, entrapping that first double crochet in the middle of the second double crochet. And that's all there is to the crossed double crochet. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch.